Hi there friends, this is Sandeep Patil. This is the part 2 of the video where I was talking about fillers. Dear friends, if you want to speak like American, if you want to speak like a native speaker, and if you want to sound natural while speaking, then you have to use certain kind of words. These words are called as fillers. These words are very unique, and if you use them at the right time, at the right place, you will really make a big difference in the way you communicate. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 to 6 different kind of fillers. And at the end, I'm going to tell you what mistakes you should not do while using those fillers, as well as how to use these fillers naturally. I mean, how to remember those fillers and how to use them spontaneously without thinking or without forcing these fillers. If you want to really sound really natural, this video is for you. Well friends, as usual, as all of you know, I train for live training, face-to-face training, no recorded training. It's called as English Communication and Confidence Therapy. The word here is therapy. If you have fear of communication, if you forget words while speaking, if you get nervous while speaking with other fluent speakers, confident speakers, if you want to be natural in communication, then this course is for you. This course has nothing to do with grammar. It has to do with your mindset, because I believe that communication is 80% psychology and 20% of English, that is technical knowledge. If you are interested, read the description carefully. All the details are given there. Just do the formalities. My team members will contact you. Fillers. In the part 1, I told you about 5 to 6 different kind of fillers. This is a part 2. In this video, I'm going to tell you some important fillers also. Let's start with the first filler. The first filler is stuff. S-T-U-F-F, stuff. I mean, this filler is used to name something which you can't name, which you don't know. Let me give you one example. Suppose we say that, that kind of stuff. If you want to explain something, but you don't know what is the name of that, you have to say that, that kind of stuff, it's red in color, and it tastes sweet, that kind of stuff. In this way, stuff is used. Okay, so this is stuff. Second filler, I'll tell you. The second filler is alright. Now, alright is a filler, is used in many ways. Sometimes just alright. If someone is talking to you, you say alright, alright. And sometimes it's also used to confirm. I mean, you want to get confirmation from the other person with whom you're talking. For example, so tomorrow you're coming with me, alright? You can use in this way. So alright is used as a filler. Very important filler. Use it at the right place. Third kind of filler is there. Sort of or kind of. This is used to compare something with something which the listener knows. Something with something means what you want to explain with something you want to compare that which the listener knows. Like, this is a sort of, a kind of, like that thing which he knows, and you are comparing what you want to explain with what he knows. Kind of, sort of. Alright, now next filler is there, which is also important. I have selected some few fillers which are very important while speaking. Okay, when you're watching these movies, American movies, or the natural or native speakers, you will find these fillers are being very regularly used by them. Okay, the next filler is or something like that, or something like that. Again, this is used for comparison, but you cannot exactly compare. You say, this place is kind of cold, somewhat humid sometimes, and unpredictable weather, something like this place. Okay, so in this way, this filler can be used, which is number 5, to show surprise. You can use the phrase, oh really? So this filler is used to show surprise. For example, oh really, you got selected. I'm so happy for you. Oh really, this filler is there. And the last filler. The last filler is, you are joking. Means this filler is used to show that you don't believe this. For example, what? You failed? You are joking. See, the non-verbals and verbals both should match. You are joking. So the pitch of voice is also very important while speaking, while using these fillers. Be careful about that. So these were some of the fillers which I explained in part 1 and part 2. Now the most important thing here is when to use them. Most important thing, avoid using them in formal conversations, like giving a presentation, giving a public talk, or talking to your senior office. I mean, you can use these fillers while talking to your juniors or talking to your colleagues, but be very careful during interviews. You can't use them. It shows you are very casual, because these are fillers used in casual situations. So be careful while using them. Now the million-dollar question is, sir, how to remember them? How to use them? I mean, should I cram it? No need to cram it. What to do? Listen carefully. Make a list of all these fillers. Paste in front of the mirror where you frequently visit, most of us, and just glance them, just look at them, and just imagine where to be used. That's all. Second, this is very important. I have told many about habits. If you see my old videos, I have told about habits, like when you read regularly, when you listen audiobooks regularly, when you watch videos regularly, you will see that these speakers are using those fillers naturally. So watch them, how they are using, observe them, how they are using. And once these two things are done, first is a list and revise, second is observe. You will find that you are using these fillers naturally. Friends, but be careful, don't overuse it. Otherwise, it will be very irritating. Be careful about that. I have seen many speakers, especially non-native speakers, not native. Native speakers use it naturally. Non-native speakers force it so that they want to sound something which they are not. So be careful about that. So guys, this was video number 2. I want you to write in the comments which filler you use, or which filler you liked out of all these fillers. Tell me there. I'm very interested to know which filler you like or which filler you use. Okay, such kind of small tips are there on Instagram, on Facebook. I make some short videos, some notes, some posts are there. I put on the Facebook and Insta, on my LinkedIn also. You can follow me there. You will get more tips there, more videos, short videos, which will help you in your communication, in your public speaking, in presentation skills, and in having the right mindset, the positive psychology. Well, if you haven't liked my video, then I think you don't like my video, okay? But if you really like this video, which I think you like this video because you are still at the end, you haven't changed the channel, changed the video, it means you have liked the video, then why you're waiting? Just give me a like. Not subscribed? Subscribe it. I am just going to rock in the future. Some best videos are going to come here. Thanks a lot for watching and your valuable time. I hope I have not wasted your time and your time is utilized. Bye. Take care. Thank you.